Shisngi hadin baladan ke Kynnoh Persya ya wei unang penyak jong company Resource Roba Private Limited halor ke penyak bian bat ke jingat lat ke jong u ya kelar balasoi haka khat sau tarik unai lor uni utrai jong ke company ulawan syakmat ban pensyai bakani ke Kynnoh bala Kynnoh Persya ya u kalong ke bomdai bat ke bomdan nong rem namar kumno unut ban penyak ya ke company haka jelame galaya klem dayo setia ya keno ke jingbet lani ke jingat bet lang na baro kiliang uni utrai ke company Resource Roba Private Limited Rohit Kapoor ula Kynnoh ru ya ubak Syiem bariam ke KCDC ubadai utrai jaka kepada nama usmai haka bakani ke company kedon wa ula Pynmih ya ke Kynnoh ki baharu kom Persya ya kitrai company kadai na kadau ke Pisa nama ba kitrai kene ke company kila dat bensiulut ya baro ke Kynnoh kam khantam ru haka bedai berkerja soi sekolah ya ke jaka bantai ya kene ke company ke belasoi na kemental life pos 6 tam bat ru sibun ke jingse Pisa so uni utrai jaka helai hadin ba ula lang pan Pisa klem pendep kam kutai kitrai company kim sim na tre ban ai Pisa show ya u badai hang ni basmi kini kelum ram.
We have all the papers that this was the agreement we have come into with him, and these are the payments we have made to him. This through check. This is also the proof we have made payments to him. Which, if you want, I can give it to you, but my lawyers will come and give it all this to. They'll brief media again because we want this to be, because you cannot, sabotage somebody's image who's not there. Today I'm sitting in front of you. Tell me what have I done wrong? I would like to go and meet anyone. If it needs to meet the chief minister, I'll meet the chief minister also. What wrong did I do? If somebody is trying to cheat me and trying to tell the world that we have done something wrong, sir, he's saying it. I have not done anything wrong. I've paid money for 10 times more money which he thought we'd pay, yet we achieved it.
As of now, have you acquired this training license? Do you have a training license right now?
Yes, we have a training license. After that, I told our local director, we appointed a lawyer in Shillong. The lawyer had to go 2-3 times to convince to the authorities, and then they issued, because we had all the papers there. But somebody, and they said, some officer, I do not know the name, because one of our directors had gone there, and they said, Mr. Syiem has stopped the trade license. But you will not give the trade license to. But why can he stop? Who is he to stop? So then we had to ask the lawyer to go and talk. So our lawyer went there, then he talked, then we got the trade license.
As alleged, you have not fulfilled all the agreement signed with the CVCM and also the village out here. Can you just clarify on that?
What agreement signed? So where the village, I've been given to understand, the village headman or these people have said that we had gone to an agreement. Yes, this is under CSR. We had agreed on certain things. The one was that we make the school building, school walls, which we have made. Please go cross-check it. Only thing was, it was not cemented, because 2 years back when the corona came in, the cement, I think everything was shut. So we could not finish that cement part. Then we had an agreement that we will run the trucks here for our material in and out. And if there will be any damage to the road, we will do that. But we have till now not got any complaint that the road is damaged or something, and it's unfortunate if somebody is saying so. Please show us. We are ready to do that. And the second part is, it's not the road only where our company trucks are running. There are dumpers, there are JCBs running to cut something upstairs. Nobody's talking about it. If something has happened, still, if there's an agreement, if we have promised something, we'll do it. But where is the damage? Please show us if there's a damage. We are ready to do that. And moreover, anything for this, then the club, the local club, came to my father and requested that since few things are left, you pay the club, we'll get everything done. So we've been paying the club, and these are the papers of the club. That's what we've been paying them. Required for them, and all this money has disappeared. Yes, this is the local. This is our company letterhead, and this is what we have paid to this club. This is through check. We have already made till date 60,000 rupees we have paid to the club. And I don't understand if the village is, I don't know, we have to talk to them that why are they feeling this? Because we are paying as per everything as we promised. And if there's something more, please come and talk to us. Tell us if there's an issue. We are ready to do that. But you cannot just, without telling us, you cannot, complain or make an accusation that we are not doing something. We are doing everything as required. Yet I'm saying, we are human. If there's something missed, please talk to me. Tell us what is wrong. We'll do that.